Paula works in a school cafeteria. She starts work at 6:30 and finishes at 2:30. She prepares food, serves meals, and cleans up at the end of her shift. She likes her job and she makes good money. But the students are difficult to handle. Some of them try to cut ahead of the other kids when they are standing in line. Some of them spill things on the floor, and Paula has to mop up the mess. Others are slow and hold up the line. On the weekend, Paula likes to cater parties. Last Sunday, she catered a wedding for 35 people. She charged $18 per person and had about $245 left after she paid all the bills. She's happy she made a profit.